Hello guys, welcome to my channel Learn to Earn. Today we will learn how to monitor our timelines, for example, due date, overdue. Let's move on to the screen. Here we'll open Excel file to 2019 and go to the worksheet. I've already prepared this data. We are taking it as an example for we have sold some material to some companies and the payment due dates are coming. So as per payment due date, we will apply a formula. So and we will see how we can monitor our payment due dates according to the date of invoice. Now we put the formula here. Now click on the scroll down button on number and we change the format of into form of number. Now you see here is a number here and we will change the formatting also here. Now we will copy the formula and paste on other rows. See, formula has applied already. This is very simple but a very strong tool you can apply everywhere. Now we are going to apply some special formatting here. Again, go to the scroll down button and more options, and we will go to the custom formatting button. Now click on it. Here you will find more options and you can choose any one of them, but here we need a special character, for example the date and the number in colors changing with the data. For example, our due date is increasing or decreasing, so data would be as per according to our data. So now type the formula here. Actually, we are applying color coding here according to the due date, overdue, today's date, and the days remaining in our due date. So, see, here is the formula. We need to code red color with overdue and blue color to days remaining, and we will apply green to today's date. So we have applied the formula here and now we click the OK. Now you have witnessed the formula has applied on each cell and as per their given date and the due date and the days remaining, so the data is moving accordingly. Now what we'll do is we will change the date here, and the reason is we want to see either our data is working as per our requirement or not. So see, if I change the payment due date, so finally we have developed our dashboard here. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching. If you like, so please subscribe.